Hi, welcome to Cooking with Papa P. I don't know if you all have noticed, but I've been seeing a lot of these tortilla hacks out there lately with folks getting real creative with these tortillas, putting in all different types of ingredients and folding them up and toasting them. I had a thought, being Italian, I thought maybe what about a lasagna? That might be interesting. So let's go ahead and give this a try and see how it comes out. Okay, I've got my ingredients all ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and heat up the skillet on a medium heat, get that nice and hot. All right, we have our basic ingredients here. We have our ground beef, mozzarella, ricotta cheese, and tomato sauce, and some spices. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this together. Okay, we're gonna cut the tortilla from the center to the outer rim. Then we're gonna grab some whole milk ricotta cheese, spread that on there nice and evenly. And then we're gonna add some salt, pepper, black pepper, and parsley flakes. You can actually mix it before you spread it on the tortilla if you'd like. Okay, then we're gonna grab some meat sauce that I had made earlier, spread that on there. And then we're gonna go ahead and add shredded whole milk mozzarella. You want to use the whole milk on this, it's nice and creamy. And then we're going to add some of Papa P's tomato sauce. Go ahead and fold that up. And then we're going to put some garlic and butter spread that I had made earlier. Okay, now that the frying pan is hot, we're going to go ahead and lower this to a medium low, because we don't want the tortilla to burn before the inside gets hot. Then place the side where the garlic butter is. And then take your garlic butter and put it on the other side. And let that go. Check it out. A little more. Okay, all ready to go. Okay. The lasagna pocket is ready, or the pocket lasagna. I'm gonna go ahead and brush some more garlic butter onto one side here. Nothing like garlic bread and lasagna, huh? And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some pecorino romano. Okay, let's give it the old taste test. Smells like a lasagna. Doesn't quite look like one. Pleasantly surprised. Has all the lasagna flavors that you would expect in an entree, but it's like eating a sandwich. You could eat it on the run. Hey, thanks for watching another episode, and please subscribe for some future recipes. Have a good day.